Hey everyone, David here. I'm the founder of SheetXAI, and today we are here with another tutorial. And so today's tutorial is very simple. We're just checking how to flag incomplete records in Excel or Google Sheets, right? What that means is we're just trying to find rows where there's missing data. And we know this because there is blanks. So I'm gonna show you guys right now how to do that in the simplest way possible. Are you ready? Okay, so we're in Excel right here. As you can see, a lot of these have blank, blank, blanks, 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 lots of blanks all around, right? All we want to do is we want to open SheetXAI. Now, if you don't know what SheetXAI is, it's literally the best AI for Excel, AI for Google Sheets, literally AI for spreadsheet platform. If you don't have it installed, all the information is in the description. But you just hop on here and you type this. Highlight any rows where SKU, category, supplier, or unit price is blank, right? I'm using these because obviously in this specific data set, those are the columns. You could use your own columns, right? And once you put this and you send, just watch the magic. Boom. As you can see, it's done and it's done again, right? So we can see that all these columns have a data that's blank. I'm gonna make this bigger just so we can see it better. Okay, so we can see here that some of these have data that's blank, right? So blank right here, blank right here, blank right here, and it just highlighted it for us so we could quickly figure out what's wrong. Remember, the app name is SheetXAI, and essentially it helps you with all your Google Sheets and Excel work. All you have to do is just ask, and just get it. No need to remember formulas and all of that, guys. It's too much work. All right. Thank you so much and have a nice day.